Assalamu alaikum. So today I will start the new point in chapter number 2, continuity. Okay. So today I will start this continuity. Look over here. So today I will start this one, continuity. Today I will discuss this point, continuity, right? So continuity at number C. Continuity at number C. So let me define first. What is the meaning of continuity of a function? Continuity of a function at point C. So let me define here definition. See this definition. Okay. A function f is said to be continuous at number C, C, if the following conditions are satisfied. Number one is this. F of C defined. Limit x tends to C, fx exists. And number three, condition number three, limit x goes to C, fx vis-a-vis fc. Okay. If these three conditions are satisfied at number C, x vis-a-vis C, okay, then you say function is continuous at number C, at x vis-a-vis C. If any condition from the above Talata condition fail, then you say function is discontinuous at number C. If Wahid condition fail, then you say function is discontinuous at number C. Okay. Right. Now look over here. What is the condition? Number one. What do you mean by continuity? See the definition. Number one. The definition of continuity. A function f is continuous. Function f is continuous at this number C, at x is this C, at this number C. This C is Rakam Hakiki. Okay. So if function f is continuous at this number C, if there is three conditions. Number one is this. At this number C, fc, yani if you take here f x vis-a-vis C, fc is defined, this number one. Okay. Number two, limit at this number C, limit of this function at this number C, when x tends to C, okay, fx exists, यानी limit मौजूद at this number C, this limit exists, lazim exists. And number three, other condition 1 and condition 2 same, limit x goes to C, fx, other same, fx, limit x goes to C, fx, vis-a-vis this fc. If other three conditions same, yani at this number C, function is said to be continuous. Okay. At this number C, this C is Rakam Hakiki. Okay. At this number C, if this here, FC is defined, number 1. And number 2, at this number C here, limit x goes to C, this function fx, limit exists at this number C. And Talata condition what? This number 1 condition and number 2 condition same, are the same. Okay. Then you say function f is continuous at this number C, continuous at this number C. Okay. If Wahid condition means hina fail, if Wahid condition means hina maafi sa, then you say function is discontinuous at number C, right? Function is discontinuous at number C. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this what is the meaning of continuity at number C? It means at number C, at rakam hakiki C, if in the rasam bayani of function not whole, maafi break in the rasam bayani of function at number C, maafi whole, maafi break, and maafi jump. Okay, then you say function is continuous. So let me explain here. If you take this example, I am taking this one. See this. This is example number. See this function. This is Rasam here. I am taking this. This is x-axis and this is y. Okay. Here 1. This is 2. Okay. See this. Rasam here. If here mojo, this one. See at this number 1. At this number 1. What is here? At this number 1, x is 1. You can see here at this number 1. At x is 1 here. X is 1. If you take this x is 1 here, the Rasam in the Rasam of function here whole मौजूद, आधा मौजूद whole यानी अव्वल condition fail यानी what? whole यानी this f of 1 if you take x is 1 यानी hada c, this is c hada, c equal to 1. Okay, f of 1 and at this number 1 in the Rasam hina मौजूद whole मौजूद यानी function not defined, no number at x equal to 1, no number whole मौजूद in the Rasam it means f of 1 is not defined. Not defined. It means this function is not continuous at x equal to 1 because at x is wahid hina at x equal to 1 in the Rasam of function, see here hina मौजूद whole यानी no number. So at x equal to 1, f of 1 oval condition failed is not defined. F of 1 is not defined. It means this condition number 1 is failed. This condition number 1 hada f of 1 is not defined because in the Rasam of function here whole मौजूद, whole यानी no number. Understand? So oval condition fail. Right? So now look over here. See this. I am taking this Rasambiani. Look over here. See at this number. At check this. At this number 1 Wahid in a whole mawjood in the Rasambiani. It means what? F of 1. This f of 1 is not defined. F of 1 is not defined. So function discontinuous. Function discontinuous at Wahid. Function discontinuous at Rakam Wahid. Here Wahid yani C in a mawjood whole. Right? So now look number after that this one. Look over here. After that, come over here at point number 3. Come here at 3. At this 3, so Hina, at this 3, Hina whole mafi. Hina F3 at x equal to 3. At x equal to 3. X equal to 3 here. F of 3 come. F of 3 is defined. F of 3 means this. Hina mafi whole. Hina whole mawjood. But Hina mawjood number here. Hada dark mawjood. Yani hada mawjood. So f of 3 is defined. Hada defined. Is defined. But check limit. So limit at this number, condition number 2. Condition number 2 at this 3. Limit come this side, left limit. Left limit mawjood here. Left limit hada. Left limit at number 3 hada. Is hina. This one. Left limit 3. But right limit at number 3. Right limit hada. Right limit hina. Okay. So hada and hada mafi same mukhtalif. So limit left limit and right limit at number 3 mafi same mukhtalif. So condition number 2 fail here. Condition number 2 fail. So function is discontinuous at number 3. Okay. Awal condition defined. F3 is defined but limit yasar at rakam talata and limit yamin at rakam talata mukhtalif. Okay. Now come to this. X is 5 at this number here. At this point 5, so at this point 5 in a whole mawjood in the Rasambiani. In a whole, but here number mawjood, hada mawjood number. So hada mawjood number. Okay. So at 5 hina number mawjood here. So this is defined. 5 F5 is defined. Okay. But look limit. Limit at x limit at 5. Left limit here. Left limit hada. Hina and at 5 right limit hada. So left limit and right limit same here. Left limit at right limit same. Okay. But function awal condition f of 5 is this here. F of 5 is this hada. Yani hada here. F of 5 is this. And left limit hada and hada. So limit at 5 and f of 5 mukhtalif here. So this is discontinuous. Right? So let me explain here. So just you remember, you have to check 3 conditions. If any function f is continuous at x is c, this number c, it means what? Number 1 you have to remember this. F of c is defined. Okay. And number 2 you have to remember this. Limit at this point. Limit x goes to c of fx hada lazim exist. Okay. And number 3 this limit and value of function at number c, limit x goes to c fx, and this large in fc other. Okay, then function, you say this function is continuous at this number c. Okay, so I have shown you here three graphs. Look here, if here मौजूद this graph, see this, if here, if this number, I am taking this number wahid, x يساوي 1, if this x يساوي 1 here, all मौजूद, this is the function, this is function. So at take x يساوي 1 यानी هذا c, x يساوي 1 c, अव्वल condition is what, f of 1, f of 1, f of 1, see this, f of 1 यानी at this रकम वाहिद hina whole मौजूद in the रसम बयानी, यानी no point, okay, is not defined. If in the रसम बयानी whole मौजूद at this number 1, it means f of 1 is not defined. Okay, so our condition failed. It means function is discontinuous, right? And now see another example. See another example here. Look over here. If I take here 1, x is 1. So at this number, here, hada dot, yani hada wide, okay? If in here मौजूद, this is 2. If here what? This is Sambyani, okay? And here, this one. Now look over here. Check this at x is 1. X is 1. Number 1 condition. If you check number 1 condition, f of 1 here, so at corresponding to this here, hada dark, hada number मौजूद. So here f of 1 equal to hada, in a dark मौजूद, in a circle, in a whole मौजूद, so माफी hada, and this is what? This is 1. So f of 1 is 1 here. Okay, it means is defined. Now look, if you take here number 2, see this number 2, limit x goes to wahid fx. So father, limit x goes to 1 fx. You have to check this. So here first you check left limit and then right limit. So look here, left limit x goes to wahid minus, yani left limit of fx. Hada come. So fina, see here, left limit at wahid hada, left limit hada here, left limit this one yani wahid, left limit hada wahid, so left limit wahid, okay, and right limit what? Limit x goes to 1 plus fx. Right limit what? Right limit this. See, at this rakam wahid, right limit hada, function going this way from the right, and here this means here too, this right limit this too, okay. So now look, left limit wahid and right limit 2 mukhtalif, yani at this number 1 this limit does not exist. Does not exist, yani condition number 2 fail. Condition number 2 fail, right? It means function discontinuous. Okay, function discontinuous. Because what? Here right limit you will see from this way. Right limit you will see from this way. Right limit means hada. Right limit at 1 from here going this way up to here, approaching this Approaching this yani this 2. This is right limit. And left limit what? Left limit at this number 1. Left limit yani hada. This rasam yani approaching here. Here. Yani this one wahid. This wahid. Okay. So left limit at 1 itne and left limit wahid and right limit itne. Okay. So mukhtalif. Left and right mukhtalif yani this does not exist. Hada does not exist. Okay. So function is discontinuous. Now see example number 3 here. If I take this one, this Rasambyani, see this. If I take here, x is 1, okay, the 1 here, okay. If I take this here, dark point, yani Rasambyani this way, Hada, and Rasambyani Hada, this way. And Hina Mojud dark. It means what? Number 1 condition. See this number 1. F of 1. F of 1 equal to what? Hina at this number Wahid, Hina Mojud dark. Dark yani Hada point. Wahid. So f of 1 equal to 1. This is defined. This is defined. And now see number 2, limit. Number 2 condition, check the limit. Limit x goes to 1. You have to check at this number wahid. You have to check at this number wahid. X is wahid. X is wahid. Yani wahid is C here. Wahid is C. X is 1. Function continuous or discontinuous. So limit x goes to 1 fx. See, hada come. So fina. So first you find limit SR. Limit x goes to 1 mean SR fx. So SR means what? What is the meaning of SR? At this number 1, SR means this. Rasambyani mean SR, Hada. Coming here. And this is Wahid. Okay. So this equal to 1. This is 1. Okay. And after that, find right limit. Limit x goes to 1 plus fx. Hada. Hada come. Check Yamin limit. At this 1, you have to check Yamin limit. Yamin means Hada. Rasambyani mean Yamin. Coming here at this point. Yani again here Wahid. Okay. So this is Wahid. Right. So Hada Wahid and Hada Wahid. Left limit Wahid and right limit Wahid. Yani is equal to 1. Wahid. So now look. Our condition and condition number 2. Same here. Right. So number 3. Limit x goes to 1 fx hada isavi f of 1 isavi f of 1. Okay, it means this function is continuous at number 1. At this function is continuous, so here f is continuous. At this rakam x equal to 1. Okay, this way you have to check. So function is continuous at rakam hakiki 1. It means f of 1 is defined and limit at 1. Limit at 1 is defined and same. Our condition in condition number 2 is same. Then you say this function is defined. Again number 3. Number 3 look here. Number 2 what? Number 2 are wahid. And our number hada wahid. F of 1 equal to 1. And limit 1. Hina wahid and hina wahid. It means what? Awal. Hada itne. Condition itne. And hada condition awal. Hina hada wahid and hada wahid. Same. See this. Yes. So this is continuous at number 1. Now look over here. Come to the next question. Come here. See this one. Okay, so now you have to check this example. Where are each of the following functions discontinuous? Discontinuous, okay? Question number A, where this function is discontinuous, right? So you have to check where this function is discontinuous. So this function is this fx equal to x square minus x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, right? This is the function x square minus x number A is this. You have to check fx equal to this function x square minus x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, this one, okay? So you have to check where this function is discontinuous. So for the discontinuity, you have to check where this function is not defined. So if you take this here, sufta hai, if this sufta hai here, x minus 2 equal to 0, seal this, x minus 2 equal to 0, hada tahat. If tahat is sifar, then mushkila. At that number function is discontinuous. So here x minus 2 equal to 0, then x is come in a sali with name, seal yamin, majab with name. So x is 2. At this number 2, this function is discontinuous. Why? If you take here x is 2, in a tahat, take x is 2, then come easy. इतनेन साली वितनेन सिफर तहत इज सिफर यानी मुश्किला at this number 2 तहत इज सिफर यानी मुश्किला, okay? Function not defined at x is 2. It means what? Here awal condition fail. If you take this hada c x is 2, if you take this c x is 2, so hit this f of 2. If you take x is 2, then what will happen? Tahat is hina 0. Tahat is 0. Hina is rakam mafi mushkila. Hina any number, no problem. But tahat is sifar. This function is not defined. At x is 2, it means what? This function is discontinuous. So, how to check? If function is mojud like that, function ala function, then you have to check here. Tahat. If any number, this function is tahat is sifar, yani function is not defined. Okay? It means at this number 2, at x is 2 is discontinuous. Discontinuous. One condition failure, right? One condition fail, right? Now see this one. Next example. Next example is this. X square minus 4 see this. Next example here. This one. Number B. Number B is what? One upon x square and 1. Number B is this. See this one. Number B is this function. Fx equal to here wahid ala x tarbiya if here x माफी صفر and هنا واحد if x يساوي صفر. Okay, so now look here, how to check this. This function is continuous or discontinuous. At this number c, you have to check at this number 0. You have to check at 0. Okay, if here 0 0, you have to check 0. So see the solution number 1. Here you have to check at this number x यसावी 0, यानी हादा c यानी this 0. You have to check at 0 this function is continuous or not. Okay, so first you have to check condition number 1 वाहिद. Here c यसावी 0, so f of 0, look f of 0 is what, check this, x यसावी 0 यानी हादा 0. If here x यसावी 0, f of 0, then function is this. This function is what? Function is here मौजूद वाहिद. If x यसावी 0, then function वाहिद. Function वाहिद हादा. So f of 0 is 1, and f of 0 is 1 यानी defined. This is defined. Okay, हादा defined. Okay, now look here. You can see the Rasambiyani of this function is like this. Rasambiyani of this function is like this. Hada 0. Rasambiyani of this function is this, like this, going forward, and from here also going forward like that. This one. So if f0 here, f of 0 here, then this function is wahid. Yani hada wahid, hina. Hada dark. This point yani hada wahid. F of 0 yani hada wahid. Here mojud. This is Rasambiyani. This is Rasambiyani of wahid ala tarbiya. Okay. Now check condition number 2, limit. Number 2, limit at 0, x goes to 0. F of x is what? See this is equal to what? So first you check left limit. For this limit x goes to 0, f of x, you have to check our limit SR and limit yamin and bade nuktub hada. So check here limit SR. Say this. So at this number 0, let me check here limit SR. Limit x goes to 0 minus f of x, hada come. See this. So I am checking limit SR. Limit SR means what? At this number 0, limit SR yani so Rasambiyani SR. So this Rasambiyani SR going this way here, up to where? Mojab infinity. At this rakam sifar, karib sifar, this going here. From the left, this way, at this sifar going forward. SR. So hada infinity, mojab infinity. Okay. Now check the left limit, right limit. Limit x goes to 0 plus of fx. Hada come. Check right limit yani x goes to sifar min yamin from this way. So this Rasambiyani, if x going away this way, then this Rasambiyani karib sifar, this Rasambiyani going this forward. Here infinity. So right limit is what? Mojab infinity. So hada mojab infinity and hada mojab infinity. So left limit mojab infinity and right limit mojab infinity at sifar. Okay. Then this is what? Limit x goes to 0, fx isavi hada infinity and hada same infinity. So this equal to mojab infinity same. Okay. So limit exists. What is the limit? Infinity, because Yasar limit infinity and Yamin limit infinity. It means limit at 0 is infinity, mojab infinity, right? Limit limit exists. Okay, so our condition okay, and condition number 2 limit okay. Now check number 3, limit x goes to 0 fx, यानी this our condition and f of صفر. أول condition اثنين condition هذا واحد f of صفر واحد and هذا limit موجود infinity, so هذا ما في same مختلف. See this, condition number 3 is fail. Condition number 3 is fail. It means this function is not continuous. This function هذا not continuous at صفر. ثلاثة condition fail here. This means what? This function f is not continuous at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0. This function is not continuous, right? Yes, clear. Okay. Now see next question. Next question is what? Let me check next question. This one. X square minus x minus 1 and x minus 2. This question. Number C is this. You have to check at number 2. You have to check at here. This is number 3. Number C hala. Function find like that. Okay. Then you have to check at number 2. This function is continuous or not. Okay. So let me check here. Number C, x square minus x minus 2. X square minus x minus 2. See this. Question number C. Fx equal to, we find like that. X square minus x minus 2 and divided by x minus 2 to here. Here x half it 2, right? And here what? Here given 1 if x is half it 2. Okay, so you have to check at this number 2. This function is continuous or mafi continuous. Okay, right? So let me start solution. What to condition number 1? Condition number 1 is this. F of C. Here you have to check at x equal to 2. Yani this C is 2. You have to check at this number 2. Okay. So what is the first condition? F of C yani f of 2. Sorry, f of 2 here. F of C yani f of 2 equal to. So now look, if x is RV 2 here, x is RV 2, then function fx is what? Function fx is here 1. At this number 2, x is RV. X is RV 2. Value of function here 1. So f of 2 is 1 here. And this is defined. This is defined. Right? Now you have to check the limit. Condition 2 is what? Limit x goes to 2. F of x. Hada comes. Yani limit x goes to 2. When x goes to 2, limit x goes to 2 yani what? What is the meaning? X goes to 2 yani x करीब 2, x माफी 2 yani hada. Limit goes to 2 yani x माफी 2. And when x माफी 2, function easy hada. Function hada मौजूद. So take this function fx yani x square minus x minus 2 and divided by x minus 2. Hada function. Okay. Then how to find the limit of this function? Check this here. How to find the limit? If you take x is 2, if you put x is 2 here, so tahat is 0. So x is 2 here, so tahat is 0, right? And x is 2 here, fog. Then fog is itnain tarbiya, salib itnain, and salib itnain. Hada. So come is here. Here is arba, salib arba, and sifar. Isabi come. Sifar ala sifar. And you know, when is sifar ala sifar, there is kanun to find the limit. What is kanun? Factor. Lil. Do you know this? So make here factor. Okay. Factor and cancel. So this equal to what? You will make factor here. Limit x goes to 2. Here make factor. Here x, and here make factor x, and तहत मौजूद x minus 2. Okay. So तहत मौजूद x minus 2. So hina lazim y factor x minus 2. Hina lazim y factor x minus 2. Hada lazim. But hina come. Check this. How to check? I told you. So hina मौजूद salib itnain. So uktub salib itnain here. And here मौजूद salib wahid. So salib wahid uktub here. Okay. And break this. Minus 2 in two numbers. Check this. Minus 2 in two numbers. Okay. And then this factor mumkin wala maafi mumkin. X square minus x minus 2. Right. So how to make factor here? Break minus 2 in two numbers. This question is okay. This x square minus x minus 2 wala mukhtalif. This 4 minus 4 is 0. Yes, right. Minus 2 and minus 1. Check the question again. Question is, sir, how to make factor this? We have taken the same question. This is x square. Yes, question is okay. Right. Okay. Question is okay. So you can make factor here. See, here how to make factor, look here. Here minus 2 मौजूद. So minus 2 you can write this. Minus 2 and dar wahid. Minus 2 dar wahid come. Minus 2 dar wahid. Yani minus 2. Okay. And minus 2 जायद वाहिद. Minus 2 जायद वाहिद yani minus 1. Okay. It means this minus 2 and wahid. Okay. So minus 2 uktub here. And hina मौजूद mojab wahid. So mojab wahid uktub here. Okay. So now baden this same. So this cancel. So this equal to what? Limit x goes to 2. Here is x plus 1. X plus 1. And this equal to what? Now plug this x is 2. Plug in here. So x hada 2. So this is 2 and plus 1. Hada come 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Right? So limit is 3. And function f of 2 here मौजूद wahid. Okay. And this limit is talata. It means what? Say this. Awal condition this. Awal condition hada. F of 2 equal to wahid. And limit is limit of x goes to 2 f is talata. Limit is hina talata. Limit is hina talata. So condition 1 and condition 2 maafi same. Mukhtalif. Here condition number 3. limit x goes to 2 fx easy hina hada talata. Okay, and the mafi same f of 2 hada easy wahid. So this not same. Talata condition fail. Yani what? This function f is not continuous. Not continuous at x equal to 2. Not continuous at x equal to 2. Okay. So this way you have to check. You have to remember 3 conditions for the continuity. Right? This way you have to check. Any problem here? Tell me. No. Yes. So this function is not continuous, right? Look, if hina मौजूद, if hina माफी वाहिद, if hina मौजूद talata, then this function continuous wala mafi. If hina मौजूद talata, if change here, in place of wahid sil talata, if hina is talata, then this function continuous. Limit talata and f of 2 is talata, then continuous. But here मौजूद वाहिद, माफी talata, hina मौजूद वाहिद. Okay, so this function is discontinuous. Okay, f of 2 equal to 1. F of 2 equal to 1, how? Oh, see the function here. See the function. If hina x is avi 2, yani what? If you awal condition of to hada, kida, hina 2. Hina 2 means what? Hina 2 means what? It means hina x is avi 2. And when x is avi 2, so hada, when x is avi 2, function hina mawjood, hada, wahid. X is avi 2, then hina wahid mawjood. This function मौजूद हिना वाहिद. See this. This is 1. Do you understand or not? Abdullah, yes. Abdul Mohsin. Okay, clear. Abdul Mohsin Nasir. Okay, so next lecture I will give you more examples. Same like that. Don't worry. Okay. So today I will stop here. Next lecture I will give you more examples. Same like that. Right. So today I will stop here. Okay. So thanks for joining today here.